subclass Django models with integrated query sets. Like in this question, except I want to be able to have query sets that return a mixed body of objects. I figured out that I can't just set product.meta.abstract to true or otherwise just or together query sets of differing objects. Fine, but these are all subclasses of a common class, so if I leave their superclass as non-abstract I should be happy, so long as I can get its manager to return objects of the proper class. The query code in Django does its thing, and just makes calls to product. Sounds easy enough, except it blows up when I override product._new__. I'm guessing because of the __metaclass___ in model. Here's non-Django code that behaves pretty much how I want it. But that fails if I inherit from django.db.models.model instead of object. Which is a notably crappy backtrace. I can't step into the frame of my __new___ code in the debugger either. I have variously tried super, CLS, top, super, A, and all of the above in combination with passing CLS in as the first argument to __new__, all to no avail. Why is this kicking me so hard? Do I have to figure out Django's metaclasses to be able to fix this, or is there a better way to accomplish my ends?
Okay, this works, this URL. The tricky bit was this. Now, there's something about how Python binds __new__ that I maybe don't quite understand, but the gist of it is this: Django's model-based metaclass creates a new class object, rather than using the one that's passed into its __new__, call that a_prime. Then it sticks all the attributes you had in the class definition for onto a_prime, but __new__ doesn't get rebound correctly. Then when you evaluate a1 is actually a_prime here, Python calls a_prime1, which doesn't match up, and it explodes. So the solution is to define your __new__ after a_prime has been defined. Maybe this is a bug in django.db.models.base.model_base.add_1_ class. Maybe it's a bug in Python, I don't know. Now, when I said this works earlier, I meant this works in isolation with the minimal object construction test case in the current SVN version of Django. I don't know if it actually works as a model or is useful in a query set. If you actually use this in production code, I will make a public lightning talk out of it for PDThon and have them mock you until you buy us all gluten-free pizza.
Basically what you're trying to do is to return the different child classes, while querying a shared base class. That is, you want the leaf classes. Check the snippet for a solution, this URL. Also be sure to check out the docs on Django's content types framework, this URL. It can be a bit confusing at first, but content types will solve additional problems you'll probably face when using non-abstract base classes with Django's ORM.
Simply stick at static method before the __new__ method.
You want one of these. This URL. This URL. There are downsides, namely extra queries.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.